Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be looking at the Ring Stick-Up Cam. This is the plug-in version, this is the indoor and the outdoor camera. You can end up getting it in two different colors, black or the white one. Now what I have here is the brand new one, so what I'm going to do today is unbox it, show you everything that comes inside the box, show you how the camera looks, then I'll do the overview of the specs and tell you how I feel about it. I do have the battery powered one as well. They do look very similar. Now let's go over the box here, a little bit of different info here, a little bit of the specs as well. Now let's open it, peel off the sticker on top. All right, now let's pull everything out. Of course, we have the camera here, and then we have quite a lot of accessories. I think that's it. Yeah, that would be it. Let's put this on the side here. Now let's go over the accessories first. Always been a big fan of the accessories, always go for those first. Wow, we do have quite a lot of different things here. We have the power cable, and this is a bit of interesting charger. I would assume this is a two-piece. Yeah, it is a two-piece. Very, very interesting. This is a very interesting charger. I'm gonna have to figure out how to use this, but it does come with a two-piece. Let's see, so it has proprietary thing on this end. So all right, so we got that. Now let's check what else we have here. All right, so on this side, we do have a little bit of paperwork, probably quick start guide. Then we have the Ring sticker as well. Then we have a couple screws if you do want to put it on the wall or ceiling. We'll put that back inside the box. Now let's remove the camera itself. It does look pretty much the same as the one with the battery version. Let's remove this. All right, let's talk a little bit about the specs first. This one does have built-in microphone, built-in speakers, so it does have two-way audio, real live view, also does have real-time notification. It works with the Alexa, so if somebody ends up setting off some of the motion zones, you will end up getting notifications if you have devices like Echo Dots, Echo Spot, Echo Show, and stuff like that, which is pretty amazing. It also does have 1080p HD vision. It also does have night vision as well, which is pretty amazing. Now, you can end up, as I showed you, it does come with the screws. So the way you do this is you're gonna remove the bottom. So all you have to do is just kind of push it down. This one is a little bit, let's see, probably because it's new, but all you have to do is just push it down, then it kind of pops off. So you're gonna be ending up putting a couple screws here, then this is gonna remain on the ceiling overall. And then you're gonna adjust the sides, also the top. You can see the sides here and the top. So once you have the sides inside the hole, and let's see, there we go. We have both sides, then all you have to do is just push it in, and it's gonna pop into place. So that's the way to put it on the wall or ceiling. Now let's peel this off, just to check the rest of it. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful design. Of course, we have the lenses here. We have the speaker, Ring logo here. Now, this one does have the same thing as the previous one, but the previous one had the battery inside. All right, once I did remove the bottom, there's a place. I'm not sure if you can actually use a battery on this one, because this is exactly the same as the battery powered one comes, but that one, of course, comes with a battery. So it does have the little pins on the bottom. They're probably kind of hard to see, but I thought that was pretty interesting. Now, to put the cover back on, all you have to do is just find this little line, align it with the open thing, and then just twist it. And there we go. Once you twist it, it is completely closed. Now, when it comes to the charging, which was kind of, I did check the manual, I couldn't find it, so I just ended up removing one of these, and then I found the place where you end up plugging this into. This one doesn't do anything. I feel like this is probably just the extra if you do end up losing the first one. but it is there. And with this one, if you're gonna use it indoor, this is the charger you're gonna use. So all you have to do is just end up using, let me see if I can, there we go, just find the end, and then this end of course plugs into here. But if you do want to end up using this outdoor, let me just put this back so I don't lose it. But if you do want to end up using this outdoor, this is the charger you're going to use. So the way you're going to do this is you're going to end up pushing this and just push it, and then you're going to pop this out. And then all you have to do is just pop this other end in. And just like that, and then you're just gonna pop it in. Now it's popped into place. So this would make it the outdoor charger, and you're getting a pretty long cable. So you get all of these plus this. So pretty amazing. Now overall, really good quality. Comes with everything you would need out of the box. I also do like the mount. You can actually end up twisting this. So for example, if you need different angles. So right now, if you want to put this downwards, so let's say you're going to put this on top of the cabinet and you want to put the camera downwards. I'm not sure for what reason, but it is possible. So you can do it that way, or you can also end up twisting this around and just using it normally on the table, so you have it straight up. So overall, really good quality. It does have some good specs as well. 1080p HD, two-way audio. You can end up adjusting motion zones. You get the notification, so you get everything you could want out of the indoor or the outdoor camera. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.